Good morning, PSJ family,
and welcome to the 9th annual PSJA Autism Awareness Walk.
I'm grateful to see all of you here today, all of you with your own stories and reasons and motivations to be here today to support our district and our students who are on their way to find where they want to be at life. Thank you for being here today. See you on the track.
We're out here, really taking time to celebrate autism awareness. Why fit in when you were born to stand out? That's what it's really about here. As we celebrate everyone's differences, as we celebrate that opportunity for us to come together and really show our support for everyone. Because here at PSJ, it's about all our students and all our community and all our families.